Hello everyone, thank you all for joining me. My name is Jermaine. Today I'm going to be talking about how to discourage search engines from indexing your website. You would do this because you would not want search engines to index your website. If it is a personal website and you don't want the search bots to go out and find your posts for your blog, you would discourage search engines from indexing your website. On the flip side, if it is a business, you do want it to index your website. By default, WordPress discourage search engines from indexing your website. I guess because they don't know if you would rather have them index your website if it's a personal website. So you would have to edit this as soon as you're ready to be indexed by search engines, after you finish creating your post, after you finish installing your blog or whatever it may be, because I say most people who have installed a blog is looking to do business. So most of the time is they want to be found by search engines. However, there's a finite amount of people out there who don't want search engines to index their blog. So let's get right down to it. Simply go, I'm going to show you this through Web Hosting Throne. This is my website. So I put in my, I went into WP admin and it came here. So what you do is you log in. I have everything occupied already. Log in. So after you've logged in, scroll down to Settings, go to Reading. Once you hit Settings, go to Reading, click on Reading. Okay, what you do is just scroll down all the way down to the bottom, and then where it says Search Engine Visibility, simply check Discourage search engines from indexing this site. After you've done that, just press Save Changes. And that's it. Just to prove that it does work, let me visit my let me see. Let's go to all posts. And let me just view. Well, it's you don't want it to blog. So here it goes right here. You see this little indication right here. I have plugin installed onto Chrome to see, just to show you that it does work. This means that this entire website, this entire site is being discouraged from search engines indexing it. So that means that this right here is a no follow. This entire website, I don't care where you go, is being discouraged from being indexed in search engines, preferably Google. So that is what this is. I do suggest you get that plugin. I'm gonna, on another session, I'll tell you about that plugin, so you can know which websites that you visit that has this indication here, shows that it's being discouraged from search engines. It's in a no follow tag for the website. Anyhow, if you do want your website to be found by the search engines, simply go do the same thing. This works for all WordPress websites. You can do this. It's already built in. Just uncheck it, press Save Changes, and that's it. That's all you have to do. And now your website can be found in search engines. Just have this unchecked if you want it to be found. Okay. And as you see, that indication right here is not here. That means it's follow. This blog is being followed. Thank you all for joining me. My name is Jermaine of Web Hosting Throne. I will see you guys in the future.